Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. So we have given 3 power x is equals to x power 9 and we have to find the value of x. So let's try to solve this. So first I'm taking natural log on both sides. So log 3 power x is equals to log x power 9. Now according to log rule, log a power b is equals to b log a. So we can write this as x log 3 is equals to 9 log x. Now let's rearrange. Log x by x is equals to log 3 by 9. Now log 3 by 9 is, if we compute log 3 by 9, it is approximate 1.0986 by 9. That is 0.12207. So we need to understand that log x by x must be equals to approximately 0.12207. So we need to find the value of log x by x, which approximately equals to 0.12207. So we have to find multiple values. This equation can't be solved algebraically. So let's estimate x numerically. So let's try. X is equals to 2. So log 2 by 2, approximately 0.6931 by 2, which is 0.3465. It's too big to our RHS, right? We need 0.12, it's 0.34. Now let's try. X is equals to 5. Log 5 by 5. Log 5 is 1.609 by 5 and it is approximately 0.3218. Still too big. No. Now let's try with 10. So it's become log 10 by 10, approximately 2.302 and this is 10. When we divide, we get 0.2302. No, still. Now let's try take a bigger number. X is equals to 20. So log 20 by 20, which is 2.9957 by 20, and it is approximately 0.14978. Closure, but not too close. We here 0.12 and here 0.14. Now let's try. X is equals to 25. So log 25 by 25 is approximately 3.2189 by 25, which is approximately 0.12876. Okay, it's much closer. Now let's take another number. X is equals to 30. So log 30 by 30, we'll try to find the exact value. Log 30 by 30, it is approximately 3.4012 by 30, which is approximately 0.11337. It's too small. So somewhere this log x by x lies between x is equals to 25 or x is equals to 30. So in between 25 and 30, we can take approximate x is equals to 27. So the final approximation of the solution is x is equals to 27 because it is greater than 25 and less than, greater than 30 and less than 25. So what we need. I hope it's clear and you find it useful. So don't forget to share your feedback through like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.